PowerPoint has some built-in transition feature that you can use to make beautiful slide. I have used the push transition to make this beautiful looking timeline slide. Let's find out how I have created this. Start with a blank PowerPoint slide and change the fill of the slide to black. Insert a straight line in the middle of the slide. Change the width of the line and also the color of the line to white. Now insert a small circle holding the shift button. Place it on the top of the line. Adjust the position of the line so that the center is in the middle of the line. Change the fill of the circle and select no outline. Create a copy of the circle by clicking Ctrl+D. For the second circle, select no fill and use the yellow outline. Now place it as the first circle and second circle center are aligned. Do the same process for another circle. Adjust the positioning of the circle so that the centers are aligned for all the circles. Now go to Insert and insert this shape, like the video. Change the fill to no fill and use the yellow outline for that shape also. Adjust the size of that shape. Now insert a line like the video. Change the width of the line and the color of the line using the Format Shape option. Add one more circle on top of that line. Use the yellow color and no outline for the small circle. All the shapes and press Ctrl+J to group them. Press Ctrl and Shift and drag to create a copy of that shape. Create two more copies using the same process. Select all the shapes and distribute them horizontally. Select the second shape and rotate it, like the video. Do the same process for the fourth shape as well. Add the text box on top of the first shape and add the necessary text. Align the text box with the circular shapes. Do the same process for all the other circular shapes. Now add a text box below the first circular shape. Add the year there. Change the formatting of the writing. Do the same for all the circular shapes as well. Create duplicate copies of first slide. Change the year number there on the duplicated slide. Now select all the three slides and go to transition and add push transition from the right. Change the duration to 2 seconds. Your slide is ready now. If you enjoyed the push transition tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.